Zhengfeng Company has been specializing in the floor industry for 20 years. The company occupies the area of 25,000 square meters. The company focuses on the concept of human health and environmental protection. We produce health and environmental floor products. It owns complete 2 quality inspection departments, 2 modern laboratories with many modern testing equipment which can test the wear resistance, static bending, peel strength, locking force, and so on, and 20 experienced quality check personnel. We adhere to the supremacy of quality, independent research and development, paying attention to quality, services, and internal management. Zhengfeng has set up a good credibility in the floor industry. There is only better rather than the best. Zhengfeng shall make continuous effort to do innovation so as to mix all your love.